Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services.
Introducing 3 Movers cheap Lancaster long-distance movers near me.
Our local 3 Movers Lancaster team is equipped with the tools and knowledge to handle any move, big or small. And we offer various services, including packing, loading, and unloading your belongings. Our team ensures that your items are handled carefully and safely delivered to your new home. And with our local knowledge of Lancaster, you can trust us to provide top-notch customer service throughout your move. With 3 Movers, you can enjoy a stress-free moving experience. Long-distance moves are more problematic than you can imagine. But that's not a problem if you bring 3 Movers into the picture. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lancaster moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form